Meaning of downwards.
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 Downwards. The term downwards refers to the direction of movement or position towards a lower level or downward position. It indicates a movement in the opposite direction of gravity. For example, if a ball is thrown upwards, it will eventually move downwards due to gravity. In general, the use of downwards suggests a movement or position that is lower or beneath something else. It is commonly used in a variety of contexts, such as describing the movement of objects, the position of body parts, or changes in economic trends. Overall, downwards refers to a downward movement or position in relation to a starting point or reference point.